Why does my exhaust smoke white and smell like gasoline? White smoke from the exhaust pipe. What does it mean? Reasons and how to fix it. Hello my dear subscribers, I have very important and interesting information for you. Please watch the video until the end. If your exhaust comes out with white smoke and smells like gasoline, this could indicate several potential problems with your vehicle. Fuel system problems. If you smell gasoline along with white smoke, this may indicate a problem with the fuel system. This could be a faulty fuel injector, a faulty fuel pressure regulator, or a faulty fuel line. If excess fuel enters the combustion chamber but does not burn efficiently, it can cause white smoke and a gasoline smell. I once had such a problem. The car suddenly lost power, the engine began to stall, and thick white smoke appeared with the smell of gasoline. To determine the cause, first remove the spark plugs and inspect them. Check the spark plugs. It is in that cylinder where the spark plug is wet and smells of gasoline that there may be a malfunction. A bad injector can get stuck open and cause more fuel to flow in. In most cases this is the most likely cause. This type of injector needs to be changed urgently, as unburned gasoline gets into the oil and the quality of the oil deteriorates. Regardless of the cause, white smoke coming from the tailpipe accompanied by the smell of gasoline is usually a sign of a serious problem that requires immediate attention. Continuing to drive the vehicle in this condition may result in further damage and potentially dangerous situations. It's best to take your vehicle to a qualified mechanic as soon as possible to diagnose and fix the problem. Thank you all for your attention and please subscribe to our channel.